Hi, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to use folders. Folders can be used to organize content on the site and can be added to your class for easy lesson planning. So without further ado, let's get started. Once you've logged in, click Saved in the top banner and select Folders from the drop-down menu. This will bring you to all of your saved and created folders. If you have not yet created a folder, click the blue New Folder button at the top to begin the process, or check out the video and help doc we have called How to Create Folders for more detail. On the Folders page, you'll see three tabs: My Folders, Shared with Me, and Ellii Folders. My Folders is where you will find all of the folders you've created and saved. You can sort them with the drop-down menu alphabetically, reverse alphabetically, or by my order. My order is set by you. You can drag the folders in the order you desire, which then becomes your default view. The second tab, Shared with Me, is where you find folders that have been shared with you by another teacher, a part of your organization account if you belong to one. If you want to add the shared folder to your own Folders tab, you can click the three dots to the right and click Copy to My Folders. The third tab, called Ellii Folders, is where you find ready-made folders created by our publishing team for you to use in your class. If any of the folders pique your interest, click the three dots next to one and click Copy to My Folders to add it to your Folders tab. Content can be added throughout the site by looking out for the folder icon on any of our lessons, courses and study packs, videos, and blog posts. To return to your folders from anywhere on the site, click Save from the top banner and click Folders from the drop-down menu. This will bring you back to your folders page where we will go over the rest of the options you have. Click the title of a folder to view the contents. Again, you can reorder the content by dragging it. Click the three dots next to any lesson or resource to save it to another folder. You can also remove it from the folder, or you can assign that lesson directly to a class by clicking Add to Class, choosing the class, and clicking the location. Click the three dots next to a folder to open the More Options menu. The first thing you can do is share the folder with a teacher. You can choose from the list, use the search tool, or share the folder with all of the teachers in your school. Click Share to make sure it gets to them. Clicking Pin to Class allows you to link a folder to your class to easily access the content. Choose the class from the drop-down menu and click Pin. This will save it to the content drawer of your class where you find all of your saved material. Clicking Edit Details allows you to change the name of the folder or add or edit the description. And clicking Delete permanently deletes the folder from your account. Once you've pinned the folder to your class, you can find it on your class page by clicking View Class at the bottom, or you can go back to your class page by clicking Classroom from the top banner, clicking Classes from the drop-down menu, and finding the class you pinned the folder to. On your class page, look for the Content drawer in the bottom left. Click the Folders tab at the top to view the folder you pinned to your class. To begin adding material from your folder to your class, click the folder and check off all the lessons you want to add to your lesson planner. Once you've picked them all out, choose the location and click the blue Apply button at the bottom. You'll then see the content from your folder has been added to the column you've chosen. You can pin folders from other places on the site as well. Back into your content drawer in the bottom left, click the Folders tab and click Pin Folders. From here, you can check off other folders you'd like to pin to your class and click the blue Save button at the bottom. The new folders are then added, and you can add content from these folders the same way as before. From your folders page, you can also pin a folder directly to the class once it's opened by clicking Pin to Class in the top right corner. If we return back to our class page, again by clicking Classroom from the top banner and clicking Classes from the drop-down menu, we can go back into our content drawer, click Folders, and remove any pinned folders we no longer want by clicking the X. From your class page, you can also click the three dots next to your class code to view the Export to Folder feature. This takes all of the lessons, resources, and content you've saved for a class, puts it into a folder so that you can use it for next year, another class, or another time. That's it for this video on how to use folders. I hope it was helpful. Please let us know if you have any questions. Happy teaching!
Ellii.